Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So today I am going to teach you how to use ingots in Baldur's Gate 3. So the silver, bronze, and the gold. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss an important step or information, and without further ado, let's get on it. So to use or the best ways to use the ingots in the Baldur's Gate 3. So there are actually two fundamental use case scenarios for the ingots. So first, you can show them at enemies. So it is the not recommended option, and you can also sell or barter them at vendors. So this is the recommended way. So ingots come in three different variants, which is the silver, gold, and bronze, as we all know. And then gold ingots are the most valuable kind, and you can trade each for 100 golds. So silver comes next, which with each selling for 50 gold coins, and the bronze ones are the least valuable, each netting you 25 gold coins. So selling the ingots as quickly as possible makes sense since their valuations are static. Moreover, each ingot has a certain weight and could encumber your character or companion in Baldur's Gate 3. And so that's it for this video. That's how you can use the ingots in your Baldur's Gate 3. I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.